Give me 30 days and I'll install the same profitable, scalable ad system inside your e-commerce brand that we use to scale a brand from $0 to $1 million in 90 days. But keep watching and I'll explain more on how we did that. Best of all, we're affordable and we do not lock you into any long-term contracts. We operate on a simple 30-day paid trial model and then we're month to month. We prove ourselves every single day. Now we've installed this campaign structure into household names like Pabst Brewing and the Big Ten, as well as celebrity brands you might have heard of like Ryoka Rain, Hookah House, and Amber Ruse, as well as smaller brands that you've probably never heard of like Devon and Lang, an underwear business that we took from $10,000 a month to $700,000 a month. And Holy Pals, a Christian pajama brand who just crossed their first $1 million month after meeting them nearly 3 years ago when they were just launching. Even a brand that came to us with an idea a year ago that we scaled from $0 to $1 million in that brand's first 90 days. Now this is specifically for e-commerce brand owners doing $50,000 a month to $500,000 months that want more consistent customer acquisition, better ad profitability, and a system that can scale with confidence. If that's you, this video will cover two things. One, how our paid trial works, and two, why e-commerce brand owners stay with us month after month. Now, why does this work? Because we do not rely on theory. We're not guessing. We run these ads for our own brands as well as hundreds of other brands across e-commerce and performance-based businesses. We manage millions of dollars in monthly spend and generate consistent, profitable growth using this exact same system we install for our clients. There's no fluff, there's no fancy branding distractions. It's simply just data-driven creative and conversion-focused ad buying built for one thing: profitable sales. Now I'll tell you a little bit about how this paid trial works. When you come into Banch, we start with a 30-day paid trial where we build and launch your entire acquisition system, which includes creating your full funnel structure, your top of funnel, middle funnel, bottom of funnel, as well as daily optimization cycles on all platforms. Now during this 30-day window, you'll see exactly what we can do for you. There's no long-term commitment required, but you'll see exactly what working with Banch is like. Now after the 30-day paid trial, we do not lock you into long-term contracts, no 6, 12-month contracts. We do the complete opposite actually. After this trial, we move to month. We want you to stay because you genuinely like working with us and the performance is good, not because you're stuck on a contract. If we don't deliver, you're free to go. That keeps incentive aligned on both parties. Now we deliver on 3 core outcomes. 1, faster testing equals faster profitability. Most e-commerce brands waste months figuring out what creative, what angles actually work. We compress that into the first 2 to 3 weeks of working together, where we know what's working together, and it dramatically cuts wasted spend and accelerates the path to profitability. 2, create an ad creative that never goes stale. We work off of a 7 touchpoint customer journey, and this keeps our account fresh. Customers seeing different ads at different parts of that funnel and keeping performance scalable. 3, we are data driven. We track MER and platform ROAS daily so we can scale what works and cut what doesn't in real time. At the end of the day, you're not hiring a freelancer or one person's perspective, and I will sure as hell not be dazzling you with pretty decks and wasting your time. You're getting a performance partner who builds real growth systems inside your e-commerce brand and proves it every single month. If you're an e-commerce brand owner doing between $50,000 and $500,000 months and you want to test a real performance system with 0 long-term commitment, click the button below, book a strategy call, fill out a simple 3-question application, and see if this 30-day paid trial makes sense for you and your brand. No pressure. If it's a fit, awesome. If it's not, no worries. Hope to talk to you soon.